Add or subtract the polynomial. Negative 12x cubed minus 8x squared minus 7 is getting added to 6x cubed plus 9x squared minus x. When we add polynomials, all we are doing is looking for like terms. So here I've identified my like terms by circling the same like terms in the same color. I have an x cubed term and an x cubed term, both in blue. I have an x squared term and an x squared term, both in green. And then I have a constant in orange. I have an x to the first in a lighter green. When I add them, I'm simply going to combine the same colors together. So a negative 12x cubed is going to get combined with a 6x cubed. My negative 8x squared is going to get combined with my positive 9x squared. Then keeping in standard form, next I'm going to have my x term is going to be combined with just itself, nothing else. And then my constant term, same thing, that has nothing else to get combined with. So my last step is now adding together my like terms. Negative 12 plus 6 is going to leave me with a negative 6. I leave the x cubed on the end. Negative 8 plus 9 is going to leave me with a positive 1. I do not have to write the 1, but I leave my x squared on the end. I bring down my negative x. I bring down my negative 7 for a final answer of negative 6x cubed plus x squared minus x minus 7. Subtracting. Negative 8x squared plus 5x plus 8 is getting subtracted by negative x squared plus 44x plus 9. In subtraction, we do something slightly different. We have an extra step in the front where what we have to do is take that subtraction sign, and that has to be distributed to every part of our second polynomial. So you can see here I'm showing the distribution of my negative to my negative x squared, my negative to my positive 44x, and my negative to my positive 9. That's going to change this now to become the addition problem. Negative 8x squared plus 5x plus 8. Notice I didn't change anything here. Now plus x squared minus 44x minus 9. From here, I'm going to do the same step I did to the left. I'm going to identify like terms. My x squared terms I have in orange. My x terms I have in green. My constant terms I have in blue. I want to go ahead and I want to put them together. So I have negative x squared plus x squared. I have 5x minus 44x, and then I have 8 minus 9. Doing this math, this gives me negative 7x squared. This gives me negative 39x, and this gives me negative 1.